Hello, it's Cameron LX Squad 225 Stokes, haven't made a blog in a while. Well, at first, my fucking YouTube account wouldn't work, so I was like, fuck it, man, there's no point in making these goddamn blogs. But, fuck, I got 2 hours to work, so I'm just gonna make this little video, nothing much happening. Fuck, just school and work, and school's turned to shit since this new schedule, it's really weird, but like, let's just say every other day is gonna be a bitch, but the other days are gonna be easy because like I don't have any hard classes besides American history, So it's almost a weekend. Pretty excited, Probably gonna go to my dad's, taking a shit, drinking in Arizona, tight ass shit. I won't catch you later.